So you have a child, a newly born child, and the child has skin rashes, eczema. And how do you deal with that? Well, the child gets the genetic weakness from the mother. If the mother was eating animal products like dairy products, milk, meat, any kind of animal products, any kind of cooked starches, her lymphatic system would have been stagnated. This means that it would get thick and hard to move, and this is transferred to the child, okay? So when a child is born with a compromised lymphatic system, you're gonna see rashes, you're gonna see a host of other issues. And the good news is that it can be taken care of or healed, okay? You don't have to give up. You have to put the child on a 100% fruit diet, or at least 80% fruits and 20% vegetables. It could be cooked vegetables for dinner, okay? The more fruits, the better, because you want to get the lymphatic system moving. Now, let me explain the lymphatic system for you. The lymphatic system is the main sewer system of your body. It's the main immune system of the body. It's made up of about 75% of all the fluids in the body is lymph, okay? It's there to protect the cells. It's also there to clean the cells. Because every cell, and we have about 100 trillion cells, eats by the blood and eliminates waste by the lymphatic system, okay? If the lymphatic system is not working properly, the acids or the waste of the cell has nowhere to go, so it backs up and begins to burn tissue and organs, okay? And when you eat acidic foods like animal products, cooked starches, it makes the lymphatic system thick and hard, okay? Which means that it cannot move waste properly, which means that it cannot get to the kidneys where it's eliminated. So when this happens, the acids in your body are going to build up and you're going to have health issues, okay? This can all be fixed though by getting on a 100% fruit diet, okay? It's going to take some time. When I say time, I mean a little time, a few months, and you're going to see the lymph is going to start moving and the skin will clear up, okay? Now, you also have to get the kidneys fixed because the kidneys are the sewage factory of the body. So when all the acid is taken by the lymphatic system, it's brought to the lymph nodes first. The lymph nodes has bacteria in it. The lymph nodes will break down these acids to a more usable chemistry, and then passes through to the kidneys where it's eliminated to the outside world, okay? So you want the kidneys to be working. If the kidneys are not working properly, again, the lymphatic system has nowhere to go. Picture a river. You have a river flowing down. That's the lymphatic system. If the liver gets blocked up with the kidneys, like a dam, it backs up. It has nowhere to go. So you want to get the kidneys filtering. So you want to take herbs for the kidneys, okay? So even a child, you can give a child herbs because herbs, they are safe and natural, okay? And they are plants essentially extracted and put into an alcohol or glycerine tincture. And then it helps the cells of the body rejuvenate itself or to get better or healthier or stronger, okay? So you can give a child, even that young, tinctures for the adrenals, kidneys, lymph, endocrine system, okay, and stomach and bowels. And you're going to see, with patience and a little time, you're going to see the child improve. This applies to children and to adults alike, okay? It's healing every way you look at it. So 100% fruit. So fruits like, soft fruits like papaya, mango, all these should be ripe, okay? Grapes. You can just mash it up and give it to the child and get the child used to eating fruits, okay? The more fruits, the better, because the fruits are hydrating. They hydrate each cell. They'll get the lymphatic system moving. They'll break mucus. And this is going to help the body remove all the stagnated acids that are causing the skin issues, okay? So this is very important. Now, a word of warning. When you go on fruits, the skin may get worse initially. This is because the fruits push out all toxins out, okay? This is called a healing crisis. It takes a bit, it's very temporary, maybe a few days, sometimes a week, but it can be a worsening of the condition. So if you had a skin rash, it could get worse before it gets better. But this is part of the healing because it's trying to push out everything out to the skin. You have to get the kidneys working 100%. Kidneys, you need herbs for the kidneys, okay? I can't mention which ones in particular, but there's corn silk, there's dandelion, there's quite a few, and the more you use, the better, and the more you compress it into a tincture, the better, okay? So always use a formula that contains several in one small bottle, okay? Because it's concentrated, and rather than you buy several different ones, it's expensive, and you don't know what you're doing, and it's not worth the hustle. But use herbs for the adrenals because adrenals control the kidneys. Use herbs for the endocrine system because endocrine system is part of the adrenals and controls the pituitary and all the other glands responsible for hormone production, okay? You want to get herbs for the lymphatic system to help the lymph moves, to move those acids that are coming through the skin, okay? You want to use herbs for the kidneys, as I explained, and herbs for the stomach and bowels because the stomach and bowels have to be clean for elimination to happen properly and to help to move those acids. Okay, the kidneys again are essential. Kidneys are not filtering, you can't get rid of the waste. Lymph is not moving, you can't remove those waste. And the skin is the third kidney. We have two kidneys, left and right, but we also have a third kidney, the skin. And the body, when it can't eliminate waste through the kidneys properly, it's going to go through the skin. And that's why you see the psoriasis and the eczema and the rashes. You want to stop that. You want to get the kidneys filtered so that you don't have these breakouts, and the skin will get back to its normal self. So again, 100% fruits and herbs. The herbs are going to cost you, okay? But it's an investment, it's not a cost. And you have to be dedicated, you have to stick with the fruits. 100% fruits is better, it's quicker, faster recovery, and kids thrive on fruits, ripe fruits. A child who goes on fruits is going to be super intelligent, super strong, super energetic, far more superior than any child that eats starches or animal products. There's no comparison even, okay? The general consensus out there is that people are scared to give the kids fruits because it's too much sugar. And fruits are not that way, in fact, because fruits, sugars, enter the cells by diffusion. They don't need much insulin. If you eat carbohydrates, starches, animal products, it requires insulin because it uses glucose. The glucose is involved. Well, fruits is not glucose, okay? It's fructose. And it goes into the cell by diffusion. You don't have to worry about diabetes or sugar when it comes to fruit intake. Give the child 100% fruits. Give them herbs to heal. Herbs for the kidneys are crucial. The child will improve. There is a slight bump in the healing crisis. The child will experience healing crisis. You have to be mentally prepared for that and expect it. Children also get high fevers, and you want to watch over that as well. And you can cool them down with a cool cloth, etc. But always go to your doctor if you feel something is wrong, okay? Use your best judgment. But detoxification for children is crucial, essential, and it's something that we all should do, even if our kids are healthy. They should be eating 100% fruits. At least for the majority of the time, a good number is 80% fruits, okay? Breakfast, 100% should be fruits. Lunch, fruits. Dinner, maybe you can have a salad or something green, like vegetables, okay? But if you're trying to heal, you're not feeling well, the child's not well, it should be 100% fruits. So I hope this helped you. I hope this clarified a few things. Any questions, feel free to ask.